I've spent $100,000 a month on hundreds of meta ads, and here are the 4 cheat codes I wish I knew sooner. Starting with cheat code number 1. This is a thing that nobody's talking about, and it's the exact reason why your ad account is tanking. Everybody thinks you need fancy videos with motion graphics to dominate meta ads in 2026, but they could not be more wrong. Since Meta launched Andromeda, this thing is a beast, and you need to feed it with an absolute absurd amount of fresh creatives in order for your ads to not fatigue. It is so hard to produce the volume of video that is required. For example, Speechify is running 800 ads, Runes is running 1,000 ads, and this doesn't even account for white labeled ads. It's just an absurd amount of ads. The only way to be running hundreds of ads a month is to start making more static ads. Making hundreds of static ads is so much cheaper and quicker than producing video ads. The way we do this for our clients is by using Entor. You can drop a competitor's winning ad and at a click of a button get 10 beautiful on-brand variations, each with a different hook. Or you can pick from our library of hand-selected proven ad templates. Instead of waiting for Claude to give you 100 AI swap hooks and pasting every single prompt into Higgsfield, you can make 10 ads in a click without a prompt. I know some of y'all suck at prompting, which is why you don't need to know how to prompt to use Entor. There are some business owners that think statics don't convert as well as video because they are low effort, but this is just plain wrong. Look at this ad account. Of the top 5 ads in their Meta Ads account, number 2, 3, and 5 are all statics that I made with Entor. Statics take minutes while videos take hours. Instead of wasting hours making a video that doesn't convert, you can simply use statics to first validate a hook before you make the video version of it. Which brings us to cheat code number 2. Keep your campaign structure stupid simple. Stop reading LinkedIn posts from performance marketers running multi-million-dollar ad budgets. If you have a small ad budget, you need to keep it stupid simple. If you have less than $10,000 a month in ad spend, you should not even be running meta ads in the first place. To start running meta ads, you need to be mentally prepared to be unprofitable for month 1, break even in month 2, and then profitable in month 3. You're essentially paying money to Meta to get a bunch of data and have learnings so that you can iterate on how to best market your product on meta ads. Okay, now let's assume that you've set aside an appropriate amount of ad budget for starting Meta. You need to keep your campaign structure as simple as possible. Take all the ads that you've made and are wanting to test, put them in a creative testing campaign, use an ad set level budget optimization, $50 a day per ad, and let it spend for at least 7 days before you declare a specific ad a winner or it needs to be killed. Once you have your winners, which is probably going to be 10 to 20% of all the ads you're testing, duplicate them into a winner campaign with a campaign level budget, put a few $1,000s a day behind it, but don't turn off your testing campaign. The reason is because your customers still need to see the other types of ads so that they don't get sick of your winning ads. So to summarize, all you need is 2 structures. One is creative testing campaign and the other is winners campaign. Please don't overcomplicate it, especially if you have a small ad budget. That's playing the game on beginner mode, which brings us to cheat code number 3. Copy your competitors. Nobody can be creative 24/7, and it's one of the fastest ways to burn out. Stop trying to be original and look at what's successful in your competitor's Meta Ads account. For example, if you look in this Meta Ads account, all the top performing statics are direct copies of Headway ads. Before, you used to be able to just check which ads have been running for the last 90 days, but it's gotten so competitive that some startups are purposely running their low performers for $5 a day to throw off their competitors. The way to combat this is if you see one of your competitors winning ads on your feed while you're scrolling Instagram and it has a ton of engagement, then send it to a group chat with your marketing team and copy it. Engagement is not a fantastic proxy for whether an ad converts or not, but if an ad has thousands of likes, that probably means it's been running for a very long time and it's a successful ad. Which brings me to cheat code number 4. Copy your own winning ads. If you have a winning ad, you need to be taking that ad, putting it into AI, and making hundreds of variations of that ad. For example, you can keep the same ad format but change the character. Or you can keep the character and change the hook. You can add a few more specific words to the hook. Once you find something that works, keep doubling down and spamming it until it stops working. So, to summarize, the 4 cheat codes for running meta ads is number 1, volume is king, so use statics. 2, keep your campaign structure as simple as possible. 3, copy your competitors' winning ads. And 4, copy your own winning ads. If you enjoyed learning how to run profitable meta ads, please comment what kind of content you want to see, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.